Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you had a great day today, and hope you have a great week. Okay, so today we have made it to Monday. Today is September the 17th. We have made it to day number 144 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. All right, and if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn income doing so within 1 year. Okay, earn a good income doing so. All right. So if you guys would like to go back and watch these previous videos that I did when I first started this challenge, you're more than welcome to do so, guys. All right. I would definitely recommend doing that. So that way you can kind of get up to speed, kind of see where we first started, and then see where we're at right now. Okay. Now I've already done one of these challenges before, but I'm actually shooting a video series, a current video series, to show you, what it looks like with 1 year of promoting one offer on ClickBank. All right. So let's go ahead and get right to it. We're at day number 144. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and go over here to My Legion Secret. Now, this is My Legion Secret, guys. This is the back office. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day that you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new leads. Okay. And what separates the two is depending on how many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secrets, why I love them so much, is because they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can go out and get as many as accounts as you like. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over 3 years, 3.5 years. I totally love the service. I have 8 different accounts, okay, that I use. Okay. Now, I wouldn't recommend going out and grabbing 8 accounts right off the bat. And the reason, but because of that, some people get, discouraged if they're not seeing results right away. Okay. And this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not something that you're going to come in and do and earn thousands and thousands of dollars the next week. It just doesn't work that way. This is one of those things that you're actually going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to do the work to get the results. Okay. So, My Legion Secret's been around for a while. I came across it online from someone else that was doing the same exact method, and I seen how much money they were making, and I decided to just basically duplicate what they did, right? And now I'm 3.5 years in, over 3 years in, and I'm sold, right? So this is going to be your back office. This is what everything is going to look like when you guys get signed up. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So like I said, I wouldn't recommend getting 8 accounts, but you can start off with one or two. Three is going to be probably the accounts that you would probably need to start off with. Okay. If you start off with one, you're only going to get 100 leads. If you start off with, two or three, you will get 200 leads, right? And on that last account, you're going to have 100 leads. Okay. So it's going to be in your best interest to get someone to sign up under your last account, that way you can get 200 leads all across the board, all across 3 accounts. Okay. That way you can be getting 600 leads every single day that are coming in that you can, send out offers to. Okay. And just a little bit about this traffic, this My Legion Secret traffic, guys. These people are looking for ways to make money online. Okay. It's just simple, that cut and dry, right? So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and find offers that are related to making money online. All right. And there's going to be some networks that we can go out and use. Okay. Number one is going to be ClickBank. Okay. This is what we're using the series for. I would recommend going to clickbank.com, sign up for a free account. Doesn't cost you anything, but that's not the only network that works. Okay. There's going to be a place called Warrior Plus that works. Okay. That's been tested. There's a place called Max Bounty. It's a CPA network that has been tested, and also Blue Media Ventures. Okay, now all of those networks have been tested. Okay, so I can tell you that that stuff does, those networks do work. All right, now we're using ClickBank is because what I've noticed is that the offers on ClickBank respond. The traffic from My Legion Secret respond very well to the offers on ClickBank. For some reason. So I would recommend starting off with ClickBank, and then just working your way, to other networks as you start to make money with ClickBank first. Okay. Now, there's going to be two ways that you're going to be able to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is to going to be able to promote My Legion Secret itself to the traffic. Okay. So the traffic that you have coming in on these accounts are going to stay with you. Okay. As long as you pay the monthly fee of $30 to keep the service, you're going to be able to have these accounts. You're going to be able to have these leads at your fingertips. Okay. You're going to be able to come in every single day and send out one email every 24 hours that you're going to be able to come in and connect with brand new people. Okay, every single day. Okay, that's what's so cool about this company. Okay, so not only do you get to send out emails every day, you have an opportunity to promote the company itself to the traffic. Okay, that's going to be one way that you can earn income, and those emails you can grab right here. I'm going to show you real quick over in promo tools. If you go to affiliates, you can grab these free email swipes right here. Okay, all you got to do is basically just keep sending these same emails out. You're going to see progress with these emails alone, just promoting this company, My Legion Secrets. Okay, all right. So that's one way. Okay, the other way is going to be using a affiliate network such as ClickBank, of course, and those other networks that I was telling you about. So those are going to be the two popular ways to earn income with My Legion Secret. All right. In this series, we're using one network, and that's ClickBank, okay? Because like I told you before, the offers this traffic responds very well to the offers, all right? So the whole idea here, guys, is with My Legion Secret, the whole myth to this madness is going to be all we have to do is we got to come in every single day and we have to create an email. We have to find an email, okay? And we're going to send it out to this traffic and we're going to insert our affiliate link into this traffic. Okay. And once we do that, we're going to see progress. And in the end, we want to get people to sign up with us so we can earn income. All right. So, pretty much how it works, guys, there's going to be three ways to send out an email in the system. Okay. Number one is going to be you're going to create your own email, right? You can go on a notepad, type out whatever email that's related to the offer. Okay. And you're going to be able to you want to create an email based on that offer about making money online. Okay. So if you're good at just, creating emails, create your own email. Okay. That's going to be a good, a good thing if you do that, right? Because you're setting yourself apart from everyone else. Okay. The second way to create an email is going to be through some kind of AI software, maybe some email AI, chat GPT. There's tons of different email AIs out there that you can have it create you emails for the offer that you're promoting, and then you send those offers out. Right? That's going to be a really really cool way to come up with emails. That way that you don't have to come up with them, you just let AI do it and you can send them out to this traffic. Okay. The third way to create the email is going to you're going to use the free email swipes that are from the vendor, from the offer that you're promoting on ClickBank. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, about these offers, these business opportunity offers on ClickBank, they already have free email swipes that you can use. Okay. So pretty much all you have to do is go to those offers, and majority of those offers are already going to have some pre-written emails that are known to convert. Okay. So that's where you're going to want to start at first, is go to those offers, and you're going to want to use the email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay, that's very important. So let's go ahead and just see how an email is made out. Okay, so basically, what you would do, your back office is going to look like exactly like this, guys. Okay, the only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. All right. So pretty much what you would do is, you would just go to an offer, and this is how one of your emails would look. You're pretty much going to, come up with the subject line, and then you have the email right here, and then you have a clickable link, and this link is going to take our prospect over to your personalized affiliate page. Okay. And that affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. Our job is, all we are is just the middleman. Like I said, these people are looking for ways to make money. It's our job to create an email that's related to making money and put that in front of our prospect with our affiliate link attached to it. Okay. So it's very easy to do. Now, if you need help on, just if you want to see somebody walk you through step by step, go back and watch my previous videos in the earlier part of this video series. I kind of go through very detailed because those videos are really long, maybe 20 plus minutes. Go back and watch those videos so you can see exactly how to copy and paste over an email. Okay. I'll show you that step by step. All right. So that's pretty much how you do it, guys. That's how an email would look, like I just showed you just a minute ago, and you're going to be able to send those out every single day. Okay. And then, like I said, all we got to do is get our prospect over to um, our affiliate page. That way, our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. All right. So we did send out some emails last night. Okay. And let's go ahead and go over here to clickbank.com. Okay. Clickbank.com, like I said, is the network. This is what we're using. So if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's an affiliate network that have tons of different offers that people have created, and we can become affiliates of those offers, and they will pay us for promoting their offers. Okay. So there's different niches on ClickBank. They have anywhere from health and fitness, cooking, spirituality type of offers, and business opportunity offers, right? E-business, e-marketing. Okay. So we're going to take those offers. The e-business and e-marketing section is the only section that you need to worry about, okay? Because like I said, these people care about making money, so you don't want to go out, send out a health and fitness offer to this traffic, okay? Because it's not going to work, all right? So today is September the 17th. Right now, I'm just showing you a past 30-day algorithm so you can see what it looks like if you were to promote this offer, and to see the past 30 days, what it would look like for you starting out. Okay. Like I said, starting out, you're not going to see sales every single day. Okay. It's just get that out your mind just from the get go. Okay. But this is going to be kind of the algorithm. Like I said, we're in month number 5, I believe, of this challenge. And this is what you can expect from in month 5. All right. Even month 3 or month 4, between 3 and 5, you can kind of expect this algorithm. All right. And this algorithm is you can get sales every day, every other day, or every 2 days. Okay. This is what it's been looking like. Okay. Now, right here is a bigger gap because I was out of town. Like I told you guys before, if you've been following these videos, I was in Nebraska helping my daughter move in for college. Once I got back, it got right back to the algorithm. Okay, so this has been the algorithm for pretty much majority of the month, of the last 30 days. This has been the algorithm. Okay, we got sales every single day. Okay, and then we may miss a day and get a sale the next day, and or go 2 days and then back and get sales back to back. Okay. So this right here has kind of been the algorithm for the last 30 days. All right. Now, eventually, as we get further along in this video series, you're going to start seeing these sales come together. Okay. And then they're going to eventually get them, they're going to start, getting closer and closer and closer together. And we're going to start making sales every day. Okay. But that's going to be later on in this video series. Okay. We haven't even made it through halfway of this video challenge yet. So we still got a lot of work to do, and we got a lot of emails to send out. Okay. So as you can see, it hasn't been with 2 days without, going without a sale. Okay. So what it looks like here is this is the second day that we went without a sale right here. Okay. Because we didn't get a sale today. All right. But based on the algorithm, I guarantee you that we're going to get a sale tomorrow. Okay. That's going to come from somewhere. All right. So that's how I've been the algorithm, guys. Come back here with me tomorrow. And I'm going to show you those results and show you if we did get a sale, because I can pretty much, once you start getting the algorithm down and what things have been looking like, you can almost guarantee that you're going to get a sale. Okay. If you don't, it's going to be because you may have missed a day. Okay. But once you start sending these emails every day and you start looking at the last 30 days and see what the algorithm looks like, you can know what to expect on that third day. Okay. And even though we went 2 days right here, 2 days right there, 2 days right here, I guarantee you that we're going to get a sale tomorrow. Okay. Not sure if from where, but it's going to be from one of these emails that we've sent out. I believe that we got a sale 2 days ago, so that's why we're going to get that sale. But it just seems like this is the algorithm, guys. So I can pretty much guarantee that we're going to get some kind of sale tomorrow. Excuse me. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I wanted to come in and show you the My Legion secret, how all that works, and how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system, and how you can send out an email, which way you want to go if you want to make money with My Legion secrets. Okay, and then I want to show you the results from the past 30 days. Okay, we're just doing 30 days back so you can see the algorithm and what it looks like and what to expect if you were to get started. Okay, now I've seen people get started and hit the ground running. Okay. It took them maybe a week. Maybe it took a couple weeks to start seeing sales like this. Okay. Maybe it can take you a month, right? It may take a couple months, but once this thing gets going, it's just going to take off. Okay. But you have to come in and send out emails every single day. Okay. So guys, I did leave a link below this video. All right. So if you come down here, go to the more tab, click on this link right here. Okay. It's going to take you to the landing page of the My Legion secret. And as you can see, if you come down here, guys, there are other people making money with this system. Okay. I'm not the only one earning income with this system. Okay. There's other people doing it. All right. There's a lot of other people doing it. Okay. So I just wanted to show you what's possible for you if you were to get started. Okay. So you can come right here. Click on this join MLGS now. Go ahead and get started today. Okay, it's going to be a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. This program is a no-brainer. Okay, all you're doing is paying for traffic that's going to belong to you. Okay, I've been doing this for a few years. I've been paying for this thing for a few years, and I love it. Okay, because what I make from this is way more than what I'm putting into it. Okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. Go ahead and get started. If you do happen to get started today, send me a message that you got started. That way I can send you guys some emails that you guys can hit the ground running with that nobody else has. All right. So go ahead and get started today, guys. I just wanted to leave you on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow and show you the results from tonight's emails, and we'll go over that in detail. All right. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.